To pre-market summary for Wednesday, October 19th. Futures back in negative territory ever so slightly here this morning, giving back early gains. We were actually nicely higher on the morning, but a bit of a move back to the downside coming off another impressive rally yesterday. That's the way things look right now. 0.44 for the S&P, about the same for both the Dow and the NASDAQ right now. Futures here in Toronto pointing to a lower open for the TSX as well. Crude, yeah, big bounce for crude today. Remember, it was down about 3% yesterday, so 1.2 back to the upside right now. Bitcoin and Ethereum back in negative territory. Overall, here's a few things we were looking at this morning. It was a green day yesterday after the gap to the upside, but we did fade throughout the session back lower for the most part, still holding the bottom end of the range for the market. Obviously, Netflix going to be on tap this morning. Big move for Netflix, both aftermarket and holding most of that gain this morning after a beat right across the board. Sub numbers were better than expected. I thought I threw the story in here, but apparently I did not. Netflix, trust me though, good report for them. They're up this morning in early trading. So is United Airlines, coming off better than expected numbers for them as well. And the forecast, very, very positive, suggesting next quarter will be above pre-COVID levels for the first time for UAL since 2019. So good look for them this morning, lifting all of the airlines along with them. ASML, Dutch-based chip maker, back on the rise this morning as well. We'll have a look at all of these. AMD, NVIDIA, Intel, down slightly so far pre-market, but ASML out with a decent report. We'll talk about Adobe preliminary results as well, beating expectations. They also raised their forecast, so Adobe higher on light volume. Amazon, interesting look here this morning. We're kind of fading off right now, but out this morning with a insurance shopping website over in the UK. Suggestions maybe that it could be coming to North America as well, and Carnival as well, back on watch after what happened yesterday off that debt raise. Grab the watch list, guys, on its way out to you. It'll come right to your inbox. Use that QR code on screen right now. All you need is your email address. We'll see you shortly. We're live at 8:30 on TraderTV.Live.